Hello everyone. Tumkur University, Government First Grade College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Sira, Department of
Investment Management, presented by Tahmia Banu, submitted to Mr. Tirumala Saryam.
Activity Fundamental Analysis of State Bank of India. Introduction State Bank of India (SBI) is an Indian multinational public sector bank and financial service statutory body headquartered in Mumbai and Maharashtra. SBI is the 48th largest bank in the world by total asset and ranked 221st in the Fortune Global 500 list of the world's biggest corporation of 2020. Being the only Indian bank on the list 10, it is a public sector bank and the largest bank in India. State Bank of India (SBI) with a 200 years history is the largest commercial bank in India. In terms of asset, deposit, profit, branches, customers and employees, SBI is largest bank. The Government of India is the single largest shareholder of this Fortune 500 entity with 61.58% ownership. SBI is ranked 60 in the list of top 1000 banks in the world by the bankers in the July 2012. State Bank of India is a dominant, systematically important and universal bank in India, known for its massive branch network, strong government backing, and stable long-term financial prospects. Qualitative analysis reveals high trust, advanced digital capability, and improving asset quality. However, it faces challenges in operational efficiency compared to private peers. Quantitative asset growth and quality, profitability, efficiency, deposit base. Quantitative asset growth and quality. Total advance rose 13.5% yo-yo to 40 lakh 67,752 crore, while gross non-performing asset (GNPA) improved to 2.07% from 2.42% yo-yo. Profitability. Net interest income (NII) grew 4.1% yo-yo to 39,816 crores with a 31.28% operating margin. Efficiency. The provisions coverage ratio (PCR) stand strong at 74.66%, indicating adequate coverage for bad loans. Valuation and earnings. The bank reported an EPS (earnings per share) of rupees 80.18 and consistent 5 years CAGR profit growth. Deposit base. Total deposit grew 9.8% yo-yo to 52,29,384 crores.
This image displays a consolidated balance sheet of State Bank of India from 2014 to 2018. Total shareholders' funds grew from 1,18,282 crores in March 2014 to rupees 2,19,129 crores in March 2018. Total asset increased significantly over the period, reaching rupees 34,54,752 crore by March 2018. Advances loan provided by the bank showed a consistent upward trend, totaling rupees 19,34,880 crores in March 2018. The date indicates a strong increase in deposit, rising to over rupees 27 lakh crore in 2018. These tables display the financial data for a bank from March 2014 to March 2018. Branch expansion. The number of branches increased significantly from 16,059 to 22,414 during the reported period. Asset quality. Gross non-performance asset (NPA) grew from 61,605 to 2,23,427, with the gross NPA percentage rising from 5 to 11%. Contingent liability. There was a substantial increase in contingent liabilities, rising from 1,29,591 to 11,62,021. Capital adequacy. The capital adequacy ratio remained relatively stable, however, in between 12% and 13%. The image displays a bar chart illustrating the net cash used in investing activity for SBI holding in fiscal year 2023 and 24. The date is presented in millions of yen. In fiscal year 2023 ending 2024 March, net cash used was 35,116 millions. In fiscal year 2024 ending 2025 March, net cash used in significantly increased to 110 lakh 60,455 millions. The chart highlights a substantial increase in investing activity between the two fiscal years. This chart is compares the valuation matrix of three major India life insurance companies. SBI Life has the lowest embedded value at rupees 12,999 crores, yet trades at a higher valuations of rupees 46,000 crores. HDFC Max Life has the highest embedded value rupees 15,830 crores and the highest valuation rupees 68,000 crores among the group. ICICI Prudential Life sit in the middle for both metrics with an embedded value of rupees 13,939 crores and a valuations of rupees 42,000 crores. Market multiplies indicates HDFC Max Life has the highest embedded value multiplier at 4.3 compared to 3.54 for SBI Life and 3.45 for ICICI Prudential Life. Price to earning is the relationship between a company's stock price and its earnings per share (EPS). What is price to sales ratio? The price to sales ratio is a self-evaluating ratio that companies can use to measure the relationship between the stock market value and total sales. PS is equals to sales price divided by sales per share. Sales per share. This image display as a pie chart illustrating the shareholding pattern of a company, likely State Bank of India (SBI). President of India holds the majority stake at 56.92%. Mutual funds and UTI own 13.28% of the shares. Bank and FIS insurance costs etc. account for 11.69% of ownership. FIIS, OCBs, NRIs and GDRs represent 11.05% of the total shareholding. Others comprising the remaining 7.06%. The image display as a table from www.exceldatapro.com summarizing key financial performance indicators for a company across various categories for the year 2015 and 2016. Growth ratio. Significant growth was observed in sales 25.0%, income 24.6%, and asset 58.0% in 2016. Profitability ratio. Profit margin remained stable while return on asset and return on equity decreased in 2016. Liquidity ratio. The current ratio increased to 3.44 in 2016, indicating improved short-term liquidity. Solvency ratio. The debt to total asset ratio decreased from 0.42 to 0.28, suggesting a reduction in leverages. The provided image is a financial comparison table displaying valuation assumptions and metrics for three different companies A, B, and C to calculate their price to sales ratio. Valuation comparison. All three companies have the same market capitalization of 2000 millions based on a 20.00 share price and 100 millions diluted share outstanding. Price to sales ratio. This matrix compares a company's market capitalization to its total revenue, indicating how much investors are willing to pay for each unit of sales. Company A has the lowest ratio at 1.3. Company C has the highest ratio at 1.8x. Financial matrix. Company A has the highest sales 1,500 millions and net income 250 millions, while company C has the lowest sales 1,100 millions and the net loss 150 millions. Price to earning ratio. The price to earning ratio is calculated for profitable companies with the company C showing NM non-meaningful due to its net loss. Leverage ratio. SBI's financial leverage, total asset, total equity has shown a decreasing trend, reaching approximately 15.0 in March 2025, down from 17.6 in 2021, indicating a deleveraging trend and stronger equity base. Capital adequacy. As a domestic systematically important bank, DSIB by the RBI, the New Indian Express SBI is required to maintain higher capital buffers to manage risk and ensuring stability. Qualitative analysis of SBI: market position and brand value, asset quality and management, digitalization and innovation, operating efficiency, corporate governance. This image provides an industrial overview of various Indian market sectors based on a research report from SBI Cap Security Research, General Staff Market, Highway Tools Collection, Security Service Market, and Integrated Facilities Management. Charts detailing project market size in India from 2021 to 2029 in the billions rupees. Indian Security Service Market project to grow from 591 millions in billions. Indian Integrated Facilities Management Market project to grow from 656 billions. Indian Drone Market project to grow from 710 billions in 2025 to 1,665 billions in 2028 with a background. State Bank of India (SBI) or the bank is a banking and financial service statutory body engaging in providing a wide range of products and services to individuals, commercial enterprises, large corporates, public bodies, and institutional customers. The bank is governed by the Banking Regulation Act 1949 and the State Bank of India Act 1955. Bank of India Group. SBI Group or the group consists of SBI, 27 subsidiaries and 8 joint ventures and 18 associates. Following are the significance according policies of SBI Group. The specific accounting principles and methods of applying these principles in the preparations and presentations of consolidated financial statement of SBI. Conclusion. Market leadership. As of the 2024, SBI is the largest public sector bank in India, with a dominant position in deposit and loans. Financial strength. The bank has demonstrated robust financial health with significant profit increase and reduced non-performance asset (NPA) and improved returns on asset. Digital transformation. Through its YONO app, which boasts over 6.07 crores users, SBI is leader in digital banking in India. Customer trust. Recognized as a highly trusted brand, SBI focus on improving customer service and engagement. Strategic growth. Post-merger, the bank has continues to expand its footprint and digital capability. SBI Bank, State Bank of India. And thank you so much.